moment the first ball hit the pins, we knew this event was going to be something special. The Bowling Fundraiser, hosted by the Rotary Club, brought our community together in the best way possible. A huge thank you to the Rotary members who worked tirelessly behind the scenes, selling raffle tickets, organizing the event, and making sure everything ran super smoothly. And our STEAM Center team, your passion and dedication continue to make moments like this possible.
With every lane sold out, the energy in the room was incredible. Friends, families, and supporters all showing up for a great cause.
From strike to spares, there was no shortage of smiles. Truly a strike of a good time for everyone involved. The excitement carried through to our raffle, where amazing prizes found some very happy winners. We are so grateful for the support, the laughter, and the memories made. Thank you for believing in what we do, from all of us, right here at the STEAM Center.